It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. Features include V6 engine, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, Bluetooth, and power heated mirrors. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,